Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today's video is a grocery haul, as you probably just saw. I hope I got some b-roll that actually works. But we did groceries at Checkers again. I think maybe next month we'll go back to Macro just to see what they have there now that we haven't been there. I know they have less options, so I need to mentally prepare myself to have less things to choose from. But I guess we'll see. We'll see. I don't know if we're actually gonna go to Macro, but we were throwing the idea around. We went to Checkers. We spent a total of 6.5, and we got everything we needed except for cream because they didn't have a big bottle, and we didn't get eggs because we don't get our eggs there. We did get meat. We don't typically buy our meat with the rest of the groceries, but my mom picked up some meat, so we also have some meat. I'm gonna show you everything that we got. I think we did pretty good. We got everything that we wanted, so I think we did pretty good. So yeah, let's get into this haul. Okay guys, so we're gonna start here. Sorry about the washing machine in the background. Yeah, so starting here, we have a 16 pack of toilet rolls, and then we have two 24 packs of tissue. I don't know why we run through tissue so much, but also there's typically during the week there's anywhere between 4 or 5 people in the house at all times, and then over the weekend there's anywhere between 6 and 9 people, like every weekend. So maybe that's why, but like this covers us. And then at the back there we have jumbo paper towels. So there's 3 packs, the one on top, and then there's 2 underneath. Over here we have these smoked grillers. This is actually for dinner tonight because it is almost 6 o'clock and we have load shedding at 8, and I'm cooking today. We just got back, so we picked up a easy dinner meal, so I'm just gonna warm these up on the stove. And then we also got some hot dog rolls. I'm gonna make some onions, and that's gonna be dinner. And then underneath that we have a 6-pack of pump water. Over here we have chicken necks. So there's 2 of them. These are like fresh. And then underneath that we have 1 tray of boiki. And then underneath that we have chicken breasts. This is a 12-piece. And then we have 2 of these 16-piece drumstick and thigh trays over here. Over here we have 2 trays of these chicken gizzards. There's the other tray, and these get cooked together like in one meal. So we picked those up. These are also fresh. And then behind that we have 2 packs of butternut. This is cubed already and super quick and easy to put together. We have no lac. This is lactose-free milk. And then at the back there we have actual full cream milk over there. And then we have 1 bottle of cultured buttermilk. This is great. Everyone loves pancakes, so that's why we're getting that so often. We also got this 1 liter of extra virgin olive oil. And then 1 packet of the sweet milk cheese. These are the processed cheese slices. And then we have some liquid beef stock. We have garlic and herb Ina Parmesan seasoning. And then we also got garlic pepper. And then over here we have chili beef flavored stock cubes. We got some prune juice. I have no idea why, but we did. And then in the front here we have some turmeric. We got 2 of these Dew Fresh salted butters. Over the weekend I was at Pick n Pay with my sister and my dad, and the Kerrygold butter, like a block this size, was on sale, and normal price is $100 for Kerrygold. It was on sale for $75, and I made a big deal about it, and no one was understanding the gravity of the situation. So I just thought I'd let you know in case you understand why that is a big deal. Over here we have some tartaric acid. We also have cream of tartar. So 2 of these, no, 3 cream of tartar and 3 tartaric acid. In the front here we have some soup packets. This is the kitchen brand. We got their honey last time. I also buy their icing sugar. I really like it. Their packaging is super cute. Anyway, we got thick onion, oxtail, another thick onion, another oxtail, and another thick onion. So 3 thick onions, 2 oxtails, and then underneath that we got a pack of Viennas. This is the small pack because we just don't eat them like we used to. Over here we have 3 bell peppers, and then we got some McCain wedges. This is the first time they've had McCain wedges in, I want to say 3 months, but they still only had like this regular one. They didn't have like the spicy ones or anything. I don't know, maybe there's a problem at McCain, but anyway, we've got 2 of these regular ones. These are unseasoned, so we have to season them ourselves. And then we got stork country spread. There was a debate on Twitter recently, on my Twitter at least, and people were asking which butter is the best, and everyone said this one is by far the best butter in the country. And we used to buy this butter all the time when we used to do our groceries in Norwood. And then we tried the Flora brand when we started going to Macro to do groceries. So now that we're back at a regular grocery store, this is what I decided we should get. So we're gonna have some of that. Not that I eat butter like that, but you know, I got some instant pudding because I recently made banana pudding and it was literally the best thing ever. I posted on my Instagram stories. It was so good. But this is the instant pudding that I used in that recipe. And then we picked up some maizena. This is just corn flour because I recently have been using these like powder soups because I don't like that they change the flavor of whatever you're cooking. So I like to just mix this with some water and thicken my soup like that. Back here we have 3 Pepsis. And then at the back there we have a tropical flavored Oros concentrate. Down here we have some golden brown sugar. And then we have a big bag of bicarbonate soda. This is obviously, we use this for baking, but we also use this for cleaning. So that's why we buy such a big one. Underneath the potato wedges, we got some broccoli florets. Just 1 bag this time because we still have cauliflower from last time. Over here we have 2 lemon cream biscuit packets. And then we got some crushed garlic over here. We also got these shortbread biscuits. These are also used in the banana pudding recipe. I also used Eat Some More minis, and I kind of like biting into the minis, I'm not gonna lie. So if you're gonna make the banana pudding, just use the Eat Some More minis. They were so good, but this is a substitute. You can use these. And then over here we have the biggest oranges I've seen in a while. They're huge. We are going out of like winter. We're probably out at this point, so I don't know how they taste, but I bought them because I saw a recipe on TikTok and I wanted to try it. So I need to get some China fruit to make the recipe, but I'm super excited to eat these. Over here we have some sliced peaches in fruit juice. We also got some baking paper, and then we got some bananas, some tomatoes, and some peeled onions. And then we're getting into like cleaning stuff and toiletries. We got 2 packets of these garbage bags, and then we have pocket tissues, just 1 pack of 10, and then behind that we have a box of tissues. Over here we have a pool float because it's getting warmer, so the pool is going to be opened up. We also have this tire gloss for cleaning the car. Back there we have a large bag of Sunlight washing machine powder. That's a 4 kg. And then we have the Omo washing machine powder. This is a 3 kg. And then we have 2 of these methylated spirits, 2 bottles. Then we got 1 bag of these latex gloves. This has 5 pairs in it. Back here we have some Handy Andy. This is the lemon one, lemon scented one. We also have these toilet blocks by Duck. Back here we have MAC thick bleach. We have 3 of them. And then we have Domestos, 2 bottles of that. We have this Mr. Min multi-surface cleaner. We also got some borax. We got these insect repellent refill liquids. We picked up some more kitchen scorers, and then we got some cotton pads. Over here we have 4 bags of the Sunlight fabric softener, and then behind that we have 1 bottle of the Omo liquid laundry detergent. We also got 2 of these refill packs of Handy Andy. And then in the front here we have some panty liners. This is the 80 pack. We have some Always pads, and then we have some Kotex pads. Over here we have some Baraka. This was like an effervescent. And then we picked up these sunscreens. I'm pretty sure this is for your face. It says anti-aging and anti-pigmentation. I've seen a lot of people use this, and so we picked 3 of them up. We also picked up 2 of these Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief toothpastes. We picked up a mousse, like this is hair mousse, and then we picked up 2 of these Vaseline Advanced Repair body lotions. Over here we have 4 Luxe soaps. So 2 of these Soft Caress Jasmine and Silk Essence oil, and then 2 Wild Peony and Lang Lang oil. And then behind that we have 3 of these Protex Herbal hand soaps, and then we have 4 Dove roll-ons. This is the invisible dry one. My mom picked up this Claire petroleum jelly. It smells really good. It's a cocoa butter one. She also picked up this peppermint cough syrup. And then at the back here we have 2 of these moist toilet tissue packs. And then we picked up this Body Glove moisturizing body cream. And then lastly we picked up a deep heat. This is like a rubbing ointment. Oh, we also got the hot dog rolls that I mentioned earlier. But yeah, this is everything that we got at groceries today. Not bad, because we got everything that we were supposed to get. But if we were just like taking whatever we wanted, this probably would have cost closer to 7,000 rand, maybe even slightly over. But we just got everything that we needed, and so yeah, there's a couple of fun stuff in there too though. But anyway, that's everything that we got. Here's a little overview. So yeah, that is everything that we bought, and that is all that I have for you today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on my Instagram, on my Facebook if you're on Facebook a lot. If you like my page, it's just Nicole Khumalo YouTube. You will get my new videos in your feed when you're scrolling. I'm also on TikTok sometimes. I'm on Twitter all the time, but it's a completely different world over there. But all my social media information is always linked in the description box down below, so you can just check that out. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!